Okay, found this. Okay, that is loud. But why do I always do that? Every time I want to use icon video, why do I do that? I'll stop. Let's go down. Alright, okay, I'm just gonna leave it. For one player, as we spectate, I'm just one. Delete mods or commands. Double check, don't have any mods. Don't use third-party resource packs. For sure don't have resource packs, literally just created this. Just for this. Oh, that's the map creator. Our sheep ship adventure. Hit the road, start the map. Oh, so you're the adventurer. You've entered this temple to get the totem. You say, "Wow, you've managed to find me. The problem is, how are you going to get out? Hey, look, there are 4 levers to the wall. Horse, will they open the door to freedom?" I could just climb out or just wait a couple years for that vine to grow. Savages. I didn't think I escaped. There's sheep. I thought you were still an adventurer. How could you get for savages? Uh, okay, I can't deal with that. I'm trying. Friendly creatures. Hostile creatures. Alright. I thought you were a skilled adventurer. How could you get savages? Well, passed out by silly poisonous darts. No duty for spells was where I'd get look, no sheep on me. Try to talk to it. Okay. Hello, I'm Fernando. I am a member of the ship crew. Looking not too far from here. Savages captured me too. Looks like they want to cook you. Could you escape from while they're distracted? Aha! Oh, I didn't realize they had named Bird. Bird. Bird, huh? Let's give you a test. Some objects test may locate at the start of that. Around the cheapest struck straight rule you might find useful. So some cues and broken with your fists drop out. Use this knowledge. Huh. Now something may be prevented from using to combine to take a string. Oh, that. I have questions how this is here. Not questioning. I do have questions how this is here. Do I have? I, that's not even on this mod. I just downloaded that here. I just downloaded that. Okay, that's neat. For to do some data, find somebody to shoot with this slingshot. Take a look around. Others. There's a bird. Well done. There's nothing. Always with the first over. Found out something might do some special. I can go ahead and sharp. How's the parrot gonna break both planks? Oh, it's right here. Right after pleading no necessity. I have to. Oh, there's a barrier. Way out. I'm injured. My leg knocked up with you. Here, take off for yourself and pass after this head shore to the captain. Oh, yeah. Wouldn't be an imposter on the ship. Yes, well, now I can go. Won't let me up. Oh, I'm supposed to go this way. But this way. Oh. Oh, really? This one weird. You guys don't. You had a person escaping now. There's a spider up there. There's some wolves. Oh, wolf den. Another parrot. I don't have a sunshine anymore. Dang. There's a bat. Looks like path through here. Melons. Up vines. Another parrot. Another spider. Ooh, water. Okay, can't go in water. There's a dolphin. Oh, that looks like stuff we can explore over there. There's a mushroom. A beehive? There's still a spider's nest up there. Yeesh. Oh, there's an orange sheep. Nebiton. Can't interact. Sheep over here. Professor Peacock. Oh, there's one. Why did you spawn me back here? I was over there. Why did you spawn me back over here? Okay, these guys. Okay, just gonna walk them by. What's the most ghost? Oh, talk to the captain. Okay. I feel I have to follow these red arrows. Okay, bird neck. You look like a sheep. Is it nice to you? Dang it. If you have for a long time, bear us up. Time to go home. Make sure everyone is ready for them. New task. Oops, Captain, thank you for a report. One thing to do now. Now you'll be the one. No, I'm human. That's not. I can't spell. Not sheep. Mon. I didn't even spell sheep. Oh well. Well, test. Going here? Nope. Can I turn that down some? That is. No, I'm just control my whole volume. 50. Okay, that's not too bad. Oh, you have bucket. Where's the bucket? Okay, you want a bucket. Oh, you have one. Oh, can you help me found my beach? My jewelry accident spilled on the bag right into sand. I managed to collect most of them. Unfortunately, two gems are missing. Could you look for them and put the beach in one of the bags? Okay, these I'm pretty sure these are okay. I'm just gonna. That's for later. Solve out. Captain over there. There's no sheep over here, right? Okay, no sheep over here. You have a quest. I don't like rats as a survival pest. Okay, so there's rats that kill shovel. You have hip journey. The ship has become quite dirty. Okay, so pick up trash, kill rats. There's an arrow that's empty. I assume this is trash I have to pick up. Here, you have something? Yes, before I push missing off some fireworks, but some rockets, but not the launcher. I'm sure there must be parts on the ship to make the launcher start to show. Okay, what the? Oh. Okay, I hit. Why'd they give me a shovel to clean up rats? Not mix the book in my cabinet's an example of that. Oh, you like forced inside or something? Hey, you got a beard. Sheep beard. So I see some guys on the sheep, or I see some sheep on the beach. They have tasks, I don't know that. It sounds like they'll probably through the doors go deep, lead stairs down. Okay, so armored guy. Brock, here's a message for me. Okay. Help me, Brock. Probin, I'm assuming it's this guy, isn't letting me take the crab on board, so he's so small he won't cause any. If I hid him under a bush in the jungle, get the crab and put him on the armor side of the cabin so he won't be able to run away, please. That's a problem. Maybe you will still be able to persuade him not to bring crabs in the yacht. So when we no crabs, you're pro crabs. And the only quest I got is to either persuade him, which I can't really talk to him, or bring the crab on board. Well, bring crab on board. Okay, you got something for me? I will not go shipland until you first use a specific plant in my collection. You will help me with this. Take me. Okay, thanks for asking politely. Take this machete. It will help you get to the right place in the jungle. It's not far away. You'll be able to find it. Try to get back alive. Okay. Right to you, of course. I have a feeling there's a boss fight of some sorts. Right seed. Oh, at least you give me an iron sword now. Carry those three rats. There's sheep over here. Didn't do you mean it's time to go? We haven't even been here for a minute. Look, the hand on the clock has moved. Broken clock. Got it. So, I want to get all the quests first in case there's other stuff in the jungle I have to do. So I can all handle up. Do all that at once. I see another rat. Hold on. Where? I don't know how these things work. Nice things appeared, so. But. Oh. Launching circuit. Okay, cool. The entire reason going here was to get that. Okay, so this one goes down. Oh, there's more dust. Okay, these aren't breakable. Oh, there. Okay, there's a bucket. So that is a task complete. We'll go do that once I'm done. Iron? Okay, that could be useful. Back through the door I came in. Oh, now go on, where do you go? Okay, oh, there's... Okay, this room's locked. This door can go in. Oh, this is probably the armor stand for God. Launcher frame. Not important. Okay, they have that on board. Can't go in here. Dust, I'm gonna get yours. Rock the door behind is cheating. What a pity we don't have an axe on it now. Okay, craft that axe, probably grab iron. This leads also to the bar. Yep. There's a even below on the ship. Come on. There we go. This door. Why is there a Vex? Wait, is that a red sheep? Come on. Come down. Wait, is this yellow sheep? He said get a book, if I remember correctly. Oh, do I have to actually go out and get him? Okay, that's a later date. Or later, not later date, low. Oh. Small gear. Anything in here, that'll be... I just need to have this on my... Can I... I hit him. Okay, this is what I'm literally just doing. There we go. Anything below here? Nope. I bet there's gonna be a hiding spot that pops up. It's like another guy down here, probably. Okay. Oh, it's locked. Okay. Well, got this door. Very dark in there. Sam. Oh no, this is the green. This is armor. Okay, this is where you put them. Chest locked. Like some spawn point. No, I have to go back up. Okay, that guy's quest is done. We put this back in here. Okay, you want the book? Okay. Do not forget this. Yeah, bucket guy was up here, if I remember correctly. We go ahead and do that. Still nothing in this barrel. Thought I just saw a rat. Alas, hope it's not too late. Was not. Oh, there's flood in up. Then a guy in there. Hey, are you okay in there? You seem fine. Oh, this door's blocked. Can't reach it. Useless. Okay, is there anyone here? Looks like, okay, that class task complete. Should've jumped on the other way. Wait, did I just see a barrel here? Let me check see anything of this. Okay. Boom. Oh yeah, I did. Here, take this collectible coin, by the way. I hid one on the shore later. I'll form one ship after we set sail. Oh, there's a part 2 of this map is there. Or second phase, whatever it's called. One on the shore. Okay, you know what? Fine, I'm finding them all. Oh, it's blind. Now I can rest. Now I got the ones. Oh, I thought I saw. I'm seeing things. Oh well. Oh wait, we got launcher frame, small gear. Did this do anything? No. Iron ingot. Launching circuit. Okay, place this in there. Nope. The gear. Nope, still missing a part, I guess. Broken clock, that's probably where the gear goes. Yeah. Okay, we'll go in this guy. Clock right there. Boom. Oh, the clock. Look. Oh, look at the time. The clock cannot lie. You are still sitting down. Is there anything up on this rock? Oh, not. Oh, that's easy. This looks suspicious. Oh, it's just rock over here. So I see nothing talk about this blue bloom. Oh, Mushroom. Blue bloom's the yellow counts. Not added. They say bush. That's a bush over there. I think it is. Melon. Look, this spruce leaves right. I was like, couldn't this break something? Harmless crab. Okay, I'll do that in a bit. Do you know what spruce leaves look like? Pop this here. Oh. So, had to use bathroom, so quickly paused, came back, thought I hit unpause, it didn't, wasn't this what happened? That is still loud. Okay. Should I just... I'm just gonna lower my head. Oh, no, this is still... So yeah, that's what he does. Oh. Does it hit these things now? Okay. Cool. Was it the brown sheep? Yeah, he's gonna have words when I'm done with him. Oh. No. Off. Brown sheep. Oh, hold on. There we go. Wait, can I hit him with? Okay, no, he's immortal. I was like, why am I doing this? I just kind of assumed he was immortal. Good check. So one more after. Oh. There. So 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go here to avoid poison. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's gone away. And 1, 2. Might have one more poison mushroom phase. I did not back away. Go here. Yeah. Oh, those were just 2. Okay. Oh. They seriously grew back. I even decided to go check. Okay, there I was. 1 bad. Well, not really bad sneeze, but they'll sneeze. I think a thousand time? No. I have. I didn't expect you to succeed. You sent me a mission to fight that thing. Didn't think I'll live. Duh. But you are in so much trouble. You are in so much trouble. Okay, alright, let me go do the crab's quest. Quest. Crab guy's quest. Armor man. I'm just. Knuckle. Pause time. Okay, it's right here, yep. Okay, class task completed. Okay, assume finishing yours finishes this guy's. Is everything in place? Okay, bro, I'll leave the crowd behind. Oh, he's great, just think. Okay, so you clearly saw me not talk to him. Ron hand me a book, saying whatever, as you two are arguing about crap. Go over here, pick up something wrong, back here, come back, tell him something. It's like, oh yeah, this suspicious voice, what the heck? Say I'll leave the crap behind. Sir, very gullible have lot trust. Oh, that's a nice badge. Oh, the white wool sheep have it. What do you do? Launcher. How do I make the iron? Do I just place it on the thing? I'm assuming this is... Okay, that's a thing. Then I have Julie persons. Let me go back up to see if I can refine their quest. So I remember exactly what they said. Okay, I'm on my beach. My Julie access part of my bags right into the sand. I managed to collect most of them, but unfortunately to do one bags. Okay. So circle around the beach, hope you find it. That's what I'm getting. Don't know if I need a certain tool or something, help find it. Oh. Alright, pick it up. feel like there should be some way I should put jewels in the bag. Apparently not. Not looking out for the boxes that I can, tiny boxes that I can break. Crab shulker box. So don't think it's possible for me to get a. Oh, right here. Okay. Don't know, but something just. You know, there's a wolf's den over here. Okay, this looks really sus that there's a bone here. I have a feeling. Yeah, that looks real sus right now. It's like, was there a wolf's den? I don't think I did anything to do with that. Well, I figured out what you do with that. Okay, so get the axe. Okay, give the guy. Maybe doing that quest will help get something to finish off this other quest. And this guy was in the basement. Over here. Oh, this side of the hallway. Oh, did you get the axe? Thank you. Then I'll try to fix the problem door soon. No. Right. Okay, let me go up first with that jewelry and see if I can do naturally. I checked that we're up here. Yep. I still feel like there's like one part I'm missing for that thing. Put each one in the bags. See, I would love to, but do this. Shift flip, nope. F flip, nope. I think I don't like how weird. Falling out of wolf skin, I feel wolves cheap clothing. Nope. Okay, this does nothing. That does nothing. This does nothing. What was for the fireworks? Fireworks together? Nope. Okay, clearly there's something I'm missing with that. Oh, I see something over here. There it is. Piston. Smooth stone. Did launch all three. There we go. Best party was a success, and then for some reason I have all of them. There's not. I don't know why it's not letting me put them in. Bug or something. I'm an idiot. I should have seen this a while ago. Someone who might watch this video probably saw that in DL. Oh, you did. Thank you very much. I will not forget your clients. And then Burston. This guy. Is everyone ready to go? Splendid. Don't understand. We will all be home by the end of the day. Oh, Saffers are back again. Nauseous again. A few hours later. Is this supposed to be seaweed? down. Let's go. Oh, dang it. I'm afraid this is not the scheduled stop. While Temple is battling, please help the crew and calm down passengers. I'll be watching the water for now. Hey, keep in mind, you can't advance in some tasks before completing the others. How am I still getting tutorials from the totem? How? I don't have that. There's Ocean Bot. So wait, if I had the boss fight with a Piranha Plant, I'm gonna have to fight. You know what? That's next episode. That's next episode. Okay, really, you just move to a beach up here. Something tells me I know what his task is before I even click on it. Where's that ground? Sheep. Bro, after this video, I might make sheep money enemies at pigs. Alright. This is it for this one. And then, bro, nope. This is it for this one, I guess.